Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add these beautiful hero video sections to your Shopify theme. They look pretty fantastic on desktop, and also they look pretty good on mobile as well. And quite honestly, they make your site look a lot more professional as soon as you drop them in. Now, the way that these sections are made up is if I click on this hero video section here, we have an outer container where we can adjust the width of the section and also add in our video, as well as adding in an overlay. Um, if you want more advanced tools, like adding your own custom classes, you can also hit the customize button up here and then enable developer mode, but you don't necessarily need to do that. Then if we go over into the layout, we can set our height to large, extra large, small, medium, and also the screen height. And then within the layout, we have our group, which is like the wrapper for the blocks. And so we could set the direction if we want to. I think we'll just leave it as horizontal because it looks a lot better. And if we click into each one of the blocks, we can edit the text in each one of these blocks and also add in links in the button here. So we can link to collection pages, product pages, regular pages, and so much more. Now, you may be wondering, how can we add this section into your theme? It's actually added in through this app here called Flexi. And full transparency, I am a professional developer who's been working on Shopify sites for the better part of 5+ years now. And I needed a way to add not only beautiful sections into my clients' stores, but also really well coded sections as well too that comply with Google Page Speed Insights and so much more. I used to charge $1,000 to build custom sections, but now you can add my sections for just $12 per month. So without further ado, let's take a look at how we can add sections to your site through Flexi. So once the app is installed and you have started your free trial, you can hop into Flexi and then go into slider sections over here. Make sure you select your theme and then type in hero video. You can install any of these 3 presets here. So there's hero video 1, hero video 2, hero video 3, and make sure you just select your theme and hit add section. Then hop into the theme customizer of the theme that you installed the section on. On any template, press plus, and then you can type in hero video. And then you can add in all the different types of hero videos. I'm just going to add in hero video 1, just as a bit of a reference. Now I'm going to select my video. I'm going to select this really beautiful nature hike, just because I personally love hiking. And then we're going to just give it a little bit of an overlay here as well. And then we're just going to have to change our text from dark to light. So I'm going to click on each one of the text blocks, swap those all over to light. And then in here, I'm going to use a light outline. Or looks like I need to apply that. So I'm actually going to do a light underline. Might also look good. And as you can see, this is shaping up pretty nicely over here. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're actively working inside of the Shopify theme customizer. Anyways, cheers.